Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add extensions in Firefox. First, open your Firefox browser. Then, navigate to the Firefox add-ons website, which is the official marketplace for extensions. You can easily find this by searching for Firefox add-ons or by clicking the menu icon and selecting add-ons and themes. Once there, use the search bar to discover extensions that enhance your browsing experience. After finding an extension you like, click on its listing to view more details. It's crucial to review the extension's description, user reviews, and especially the permissions it requests. Understanding what an extension can access helps ensure your privacy and security. Once you are comfortable, simply click the prominent Add to Firefox button, usually a blue button, to initiate the installation process. To manage your installed extensions, click the Firefox menu icon, then select Add-ons and Themes and choose Extensions. Here, you will see a list of all your installed add-ons. You can easily toggle extensions on or off using the switch next to each one. If an extension is no longer needed, you can remove it completely by clicking the three dots next to it and selecting Remove. When adding extensions, always prioritize security. Only install extensions from the official Firefox add-ons site or other highly reputable sources. Regularly review your installed extensions, perhaps once every few months, to ensure they are still necessary and functioning correctly. Pay close attention to the permissions and extension requests during installation. If something seems excessive, reconsider installing it to protect your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.